Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to replace multiple text on all of the pages in in one single way. So that's it. It's a pretty easy process, so I'll just show you guys. So in order to do that, just open up your Canva website. After that, just head over to your project. And after you head over to your project, just go here to the file option and then you will find this option here, find and replace text. Click on it and then just look for the text that you are looking for. Let's just say I'll write off here. So it will find how many texts with this word off here. So if you want to like replace it with like anything, like you want to replace off the word off with something else, just tap it here and then just click here on replace all. My bad, sorry, not here. Just click here on replace all, and all of the text that is there with the word off will be replaced with the word that you type here, or like on all slides. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.